Today I'm going to be building the Millennium Falcon, a giant one, not a tiny one like my other YouTube video, and it's going to be very fun. I'm going to love to do it and enjoy building this more than you might enjoy watching this. And please consider liking and subscribing, and thank you guys for watching.
Alright, how you feeling?
Like you should have moved the instructions over here.
Okay, well, slight adjustments can continue to be made.
Till the Millennium Falcon, go to the Millennium Falcon, working on Millennium Falcon. Build it for brick by brick and Lego work. It's what I'm sure hundreds of dollars. No way, I worked on it for 7 hours. It was easy. For 7 hours, it was easy and fun. Young Falcon, building a Millennium Falcon, go to the Millennium Falcon, working on Millennium Falcon. Build it for brick by brick and Lego work. It's what I'm sure hundreds of dollars. I work on it for 7 hours. Millennium Falcon is very cool. It works amazing on my Legos. I love playing with it so much. And it was probably like $1,000. It is $1,000. Millennium Falcon, it opens up and closes. It has an ejector pod that fires, and it can ride all around. The cannon opens up, and they sit in a little crate as they fire here with the cannon, and it doesn't really shoot anything. But right where, and then there's the satellite, and then there's the room that you drive in, and in that room we're having trouble.
1, 2, 3. Well, where's the 1, 2, 3? Where's the third one of this?
That's supposed to go.
No. Here's the problem. Look. Oh yeah, you put that right there, right?
Oh, it's supposed to do it right there.
No, but you gotta put it all the way over. It's not all the way over right now.
Yes,
No.
That I did it.
No. Oh yeah, you're right. That's where it goes. No, you sure it doesn't go on this last one?
I'm sure. Wanna know how I'm sure? Because there's something right there.
Okay, and it says that right there. Okay, you're right. Okay. Cool.
It's like they all look different and stuff, and it's like I already did one of these. Now I have to make one for each
Hey,
corner.
okay, what's going on here?
What?
So,
On this one?
yeah, this doesn't match.
What?
What is this here?
That is, that's in the next one.
Okay, got it.
That's in the next step. I just realized that you have to make more in the next step. You get that?
Yeah.
I swear, my brother, Lagos life hard. I swear, my brother, Lagos life hard. I hear say you don't get some kind job now. You never get house. So what thing dey happen now? No show. So where you can see house? Badagry. That one I die. You go come up for house by what time? 6 o'clock. No, 5 o'clock. Then you go reach house by which time? What do you call 'em? 11:30.
Hey Dad, do you know that lions only live 15 years? So Simba died in 2009. Wow, right?
How so?
Like an innate death. Lions only live 15 years than humans. You get that? So, yeah, Simba died in 2009. What you gonna do?
Then you go come shop, you go to bed. Which kind of enjoyment you dey enjoy now? And you get wife. Now, wow. Lagos life hard. Oh, now because of accommodation. I swear, hard, my brother. You see, everything they move. People they move up and down. Then they get their money. But enjoyment not there inside. No accommodation. If you not talk through me, I go talk through. That's so I dey see am every day. And that's so.
Okay, everyone, it was very fun talking with you and not really talking with you, showing you how I built this amazing Millennium Falcon. Now, please like and subscribe to the video.